मैं सुबह से खेल रहा था।
I had been playing since
मैं
morning.
सुबह से नहीं खेला था।
I had not been playing since morning.
क्या मैं सुबह से खेल रहा था?
Had I been playing since morning?
क्या मैं सुबह से नहीं खेला
Had
था?
I not been playing since
मैं
morning?
सुबह से क्या कर रहा था?
What had I been playing since morning?
मैं सुबह से क्या नहीं खेला
What
था?
had I not been playing since
आप
morning?
सुबह से खेल रहे थे।
You had been playing since
आप
morning.
सुबह से नहीं खेल रहे
You
थे।
had not been playing since morning.
क्या आप सुबह से खेल रहे थे?
Had
यू
Had you been playing since morning?
क्या आप सुबह से नहीं खेल रहे थे?
Had you not been playing since
आप
morning?
सुबह से क्या खेल रहे
What
थे?
had you been playing since morning?
आप सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल
What
रहे थे?
had you not been playing since morning?
हम सुबह से खेल रहे थे।
We had been playing since morning.
हम सुबह से नहीं
We
खेल रहे थे।
had not been playing since morning.
क्या हम सुबह से खेल रहे थे?
What
क्या had we
been playing since morning?
क्या हम सुबह से नहीं
Had
खेल रहे
we
थे?
not been playing since morning?
हम सुबह से क्या खेल रहे थे?
What had we been playing since morning?
हम सुबह से क्या नहीं
What had we not been playing since morning?
वे सुबह से खेल रहे थे। वही का थे।
They had been playing since morning.
वे सुबह से नहीं
They
खेल रहे
had not been playing since morning.
क्या वे सुबह से खेल रहे थे?
Had they playing?
प्लेइंग से पहले बीन लगेगा ना।
Had they been playing since morning?
क्या वे सुबह से नहीं खेल
Had
रहे थे?
they not been playing since morning?
वे सुबह से क्या कर रहे थे?
What had they been playing since morning?
वे सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल
What
रहे थे?
had they not been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से खेल रहा था।
He had been playing since morning.
वह सुबह से नहीं खेल
He
रहा था।
had not been playing since morning.
क्या वह सुबह से खेल रहा था?
Had he been playing since morning?
क्या वह सुबह से नहीं
Had
खेला था?
he not been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से क्या खेल रहा था?
What had he been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से क्या नहीं
What
खेला था?
had he not been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से खेल रही थी।
She had been playing since morning.
वह सुबह से नहीं खेल रही
She
थी।
had
नोट
not been playing since
क्या
morning.
वह सुबह से खेल रही थी?
Had she
बीन
been playing since morning?
क्या वह सुबह से नहीं
Had
खेल
she
रही थी?
not been playing since morning?
गुड एफर्ट।